Hey, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about being a YouTube creator and what all is involved in it, because I mainly do fishing videos. I'm starting to expand into construction and rentals and all that stuff, and even what I'm going to talk about today. But the biggest thing is you never get to see what's behind the scenes. Technology changes, and a lot of times it's for the better. Right now I have an iPhone 11. Back in the day, a lot of people didn't even have cell phones. Nowadays, you can do everything on a cell phone they used to take 3 different things to do. This takes great photos now, video, and obviously using it for social media. The big thing with that is it allows you to become a YouTube creator with items you already have. You get to use your phone, take a great video, and most everybody's computer, laptop, or phone, I mean, you're looking at it in HD, like a 1080. Some things you can view in 4K, but most everybody just does like 1080. So this is going to take a great video for you, nice and clear, great sound. There's obviously add-ons you can do for that. Now, keep in mind, this is a house I just bought. I have stuff everywhere, and I do mean everywhere. I like to set up a little studio for YouTube. Sure, I can record it in my living room or wherever you want to see it. Right now the lighting's horrible. I have some drywall lights up in the background, which are kind of blinding me a little bit because they're a halogen light. I'm going to put some nice soft white lights here so you can clearly see what I'm doing. There's different things that you have to, as you get a little bit bigger, you have to do upgrades. It's just like any business out there. When I work on houses, you have to buy the right tools for the job. You can't just expect a hammer to build an entire house when you have nail guns and whatnot. And just like fishing videos, sure, you can go out with a hook and a little bit of bait and hope for the best, but there's a lot of technology and different things you learn over time that allow you to take to the next level. So my buddy Nick, he has Nick Pixel TV. Put a link below for him. This is what he does for a living. He knows technology. So I was watching his video and got a few upgrades. One thing he brought up to me is sound. Sure, I'm in a house right now. You can hear me clearly. But he showed me a comparison of different products that you can just add that aren't really that much money that make it extremely clear. Clear sounding. Now, right now, it's windy outside. I don't even dare take my camera outside right now because all you're going to hear is wind noise, and it's so annoying. You think you're taking a good video, you get home, you can't hear anything. So you just kind of wasted your time. And so definitely that's part of the upgrade. So I wanted to do Amazon unboxing. Keep in mind we got the whole coronavirus thing going on, but they still have very fast shipping. So we're going to do... Now the thing that works out for me, I get a little bit better pricing because I'm a business. So a couple things I ordered. Ebo Smart Charger. You can do AA and AAA batteries with this. When I'm out fishing, especially fishing for an example, I'll fish for a couple days at a time. So I need something that I could take with me to charge my batteries. I use for different accessories for my DSLR. This here works really good, and it doesn't cost much. Next item here, this is the one that Nick told me about, the Rode microphone. You can definitely hear everything that I am saying clearly once you put this on. Like, I thought, oh, you're in a house, how much clearer can it be? It's a huge difference. So I didn't do that yet in my videos, I just got it today. I'll show you here in the back. It's kind of hard because the lights are so bright here. But I'll take a photo of it later. You'll see it like in the description. But it looks like almost like fur, basically, and it muffles out any wind noise. That way you get a nice clear sound, even if you're outside. I could be outside right now and it's sunny and windy, and still take a great video. So I got that. Next thing is Amazon is awesome when it comes to rechargeable batteries. I just got my batteries here. Oops. And pop these open. You can buy them in different pack quantities. You can get 4, 8. As you buy more, they're a little bit cheaper. These are the Amazon Basics. Let's see here. I always get mixed up on my size. I think these are just AA. Yeah, they're AA. But these last great. I've had other ones, like I think 3 or 4 years old now. I just wanted a refresher one. I use a lot of batteries when I'm out for multiple days, so I need some more. I actually have some AAA's coming too, but they didn't have those in stock. Another item. This actually came the other day because they split up your shipments to make it as fast as possible. TRS to TRRS patch cable for your microphone. Put that there. And finally, something I was really lacking in. I have little tripods, but nothing like this here. Gorillapod. Nick showed me this, and again, it's in his video explaining how to use everything. The legs on this flex, so no matter what kind of ground you're on, you're gonna have a nice, stable tripod for your camera. Especially, it'll work for DSLR. They're a little bit heavier. That way, you know the wind's not gonna knock it over. On the back here, like a handrail, you can grapple around a handrail, uneven ground, even like a tree. If you want the camera on a tree or something, just wrap it around a limb. And of course, as you're doing a selfie, it'll wrap down so I can hold out like this while I'm filming myself. So things like this, are they necessary? Maybe if you're just starting out, no. But as time goes on, you start to upgrade. Just like this here. I want cleaner sound, so we went this route. I bought these 2 products. Batteries, self-explanatory, you need batteries. And the Gorillapod. I have a normal tripod, but now I can take between my cell phone, my DSLR, GoPro, whatever I'm using, I can now do a lot more angles. So little upgrades like this are key to taking it to the next level and hopefully giving you a better YouTube experience. And then finally, Ulanzi ST02S. This is going to be for my cell phone. So basically, it'll go on the tripod, and then I can put my cell phone on just like this. Now I can take great cell phone videos. Because technically, if you saw the camera gear that I take when I go somewhere just for a quick video, sometimes it's kind of overkill basically. Because even though my DSLR takes great video, so does this. And I can fit that in my pocket, take this and my tripod. I'm out there making a great video with minimal effort. So again, I forget how many times I said this now, but shout out to Nick. He's always helpful when it comes to helping me with my technology. He knows what he's doing. He does this for a living, different marketing. I know marketing and stuff, but this is what he does for a living. You know, he knows all the latest gadgets, all the tricks of the trade that make your life a little bit easier. And again, if you're new to YouTube and you want to get into it, hey, get out your cell phone. Take some videos. We all start somewhere. If you look back when I first started, my videos were horrible in terms of quality. I think I had like maybe a 720p, that was a high setting, at a cheap, camera. Well, that's what I could afford. You got to start somewhere, and eventually, with maybe you get a better job or whatever, whatever the case may be, you can afford a little bit better gear, then you upgrade as you need be. But as long as you're putting out good content and something that a person can learn from, then, just use your cell phone. They're great now. So with that said, I'm going to show some of these in action later, but I just wanted to do an Amazon unboxing. I think for everything it's like $150, $200, something like that. And I got a box with some other batteries in. That didn't come yet because, again, they split up the packages just to make it faster shipping. But for a $200 upgrade, I'm now going to be able to do a lot more filming in different ways, clearer sound, and hopefully that much better. So thanks again for coming to my channel. If you haven't done so, hit subscribe, hit the bell. The bell is going to give you all the notifications anytime a new video comes out, and you'll get something in your email also. If there's anything else you'd like to see behind the scenes of just making a video, let me know, and I'll create a future video on that. I'm actually going to do a video on how I'm upgrading my lighting in here, because let's be honest, I have my drywall lights on here. Like, it's blinding me right now. But like, just like the blue walls, I might paint them white just to get brighter color in here. I'm going to put LEDs up above on a dimmer switch. That way I can get the right light and you actually see what I'm going to be doing. So I'll show you how to wire those up and do other projects also. So thanks again. Hope to see you soon. And thanks again for subscribing.